Welcome to RKC online class. I am Parth Davda and this video is for Form 8 Science. Now we shall talk about Chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. So let's begin with the introduction first of all. In Form 7 you have studied about some natural fibers like cotton, hemp, wool and silk. In this particular module we shall be discussing about the synthetic fibers, which are also known as the man-made fibers. So let us see what are the objectives of this whole module. So at the end of this lesson you will be able to discuss about the synthetic fiber and its types, the characteristics of synthetic fiber, various uses of synthetic fiber, and also the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. So let's join all the paper clips in one single line. What do you observe? This is the same organization present in any polymer. Each polymer is made up of with smaller units named as monomer. It is obtained by chemical processing of petrochemicals, and so synthetic fibers are example of a polymer. Can you name some synthetic fibers which are used in our daily lives? I hope you might have heard about few very common synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So let's see the very first fiber, which is rayon. Now rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber having properties that are similar to silk. Rayon is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Now since it is man-made as well as wood pulp is used, so it is known as semi-synthetic fiber. It looks exactly like silk. Rayon can be dyed in a variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and it is mixed with wool to make carpets. Do you know which is the first fully synthetic fiber? It's nylon. Nylon is prepared from coal, water and air. The first thing made out of nylon was toothbrush bristles. Why nylon is so popular for making clothes? Well, because it is strong, elastic, light, lustrous and easy to wash. Nylon can be used for making socks, ropes, tents, car seat belts, sleeping bags and curtains. Nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing because it is very strong fiber. The next fiber is polyester. What does the polyester word mean? Well, polyester is made up of with two words, poly and ester. Many repeating units of ester chemical together is referred as polyester. It is widely used to make shirts because it remains crisp and it is very easy to wash. It does not get wrinkled easily. Have you heard about the word terylene? Well, terylene is also a type of polyester. It can also be mixed with cotton to make terracotta. It is widely used in the textile industries to make saris. Have you heard about PET bottles? These PET bottles are used to store things like sugar, salt, etc. It is also widely used to make wires and bottles. To protect us against the cold winters, we wear sweaters, shawls and use blankets. Do you know that many of these are actually not made from natural wool, though they appear to resemble wool? You would be wondering how these are prepared then after all. These are prepared from acrylic fibers. These are synthetic fibers made from polyacrylonitrile. Acrylic is lightweight, soft, and worn with a wool-like feeling. Can you think of any advantage of acrylic fiber over the wool obtained from the natural resources? Well, wool obtained from the natural resources is quite expensive. Clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheaper than the woolen clothes. Acrylic clothes are available in a variety of colors, which is not possible in the natural wool every time. By now, you know what makes synthetic fibers more popular than the natural fibers. Let us recall the characteristics of synthetic fibers which makes them so popular amongst us. Because of high strength of synthetic fibers, they can easily bear heavy loads without breaking. So these fibers are durable. Fabrics made of these fibers soak less water, hence they dry up very quickly. They do not get easily wrinkled and hence are convenient to wear. The fabric made from synthetic fibers has great elasticity, so it can be easily stretched. These are less expensive, thus affordable. Fabrics made of these fibers are readily available and easy to maintain. Do you know that besides having many advantages, synthetic fiber have few disadvantages also. Synthetic fibers are mostly uncomfortable to wear during summers since these trap our body heat and do not absorb sweat. So it is also unsafe to use them during cooking as well as while bursting firecrackers since they have originated from the petroleum products. So students, let us summarize what we have learned. Synthetic fibers are polymers. These are classified as rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic depending upon the types of chemicals used for manufacturing. These dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. These are used in making many articles like ropes, tents, carpets, bed sheets, containers, bottles, etc. Fabrics made of synthetic fiber can readily catch fire and melt on burning.